Pinpoint Labs clients needed to have a load file created for data collected by Harvester or SafeCopy, but did not want to go through a third-party application to create it. This is why we created Surveyor. Surveyor addresses defensible processing, which is often overlooked in other applications. Surveyor also tracks the source hash values for all data, creates a chain of custody for any newly created information, and supports long file paths. Pinpoint Labs engineered Surveyor to provide a seamless transition between e-discovery collections. Surveyor can be launched automatically by Harvester when it completes a job, import Harvester job history, can OCR TIFF and image-only PDF files, and can be manually launched for maximum control. In this example, we'll begin with viewing the logs folder path from a completed Harvester job, although the same principles will apply with SafeCopy logs. Once the logs path is identified, navigate to the harvesterjob.sdb file within Surveyor. The target path can be user-defined or use the default location, which will place the Surveyor target in the Harvester logs folder. The user-defined export name is customizable and should be easily identifiable. The prefix, zero padding, and files per folder are also user customizable. The user can choose to OCR TIFF files and image-only PDF files. Plain text outputs or text in data file are set by default. The user has the option to compress the results into a zip file after completion and to delete the file text and native files folders after compression, but please note, this may require a great deal of disk space during processing, so plan accordingly. Surveyor also has the option of splitting the results by creating multiple load files and can configure default settings for any future Surveyor jobs. When the settings are chosen, click Process. Once complete, the user can customize the columns through the viewer and choose options to export collected data to DAT, XLSX, which is currently limited to 500,000 files, or CSV files. A DAT file is created automatically during processing. Surveyor quickly extracts metadata and full text, builds a DAT load file for third-party review applications, extracts message and attachment content from OSTs and PSTs, allows review of extracted file content, exports collected data to DAT, XLSX, or CSV files, automatic post-processing for Harvester collections, retains parent-child relationships for email attachments and archives. On the History panel, the Surveyor history, including the folder, the job location, auto-link to the viewer, and path to the corresponding Harvester logs folder is automatically saved. Here the user can view the native files, created load files, and file text files, as well as the Surveyor logs. With Surveyor, a user can also view their Harvester job history. By clicking on the Harvester History database and navigating to the History database, or history.db, file in the Harvester bin folder, all previously run Harvester jobs, as well as their logs, can easily be viewed and their paths easily accessed. If you're looking for a powerful culling tool that works with local and cloud sources that can provide full extraction functionality, look no further than our Harvester Surveyor bundle.